$2 Canadian coin. We call them toonies. On the one side, we see our dearly departed monarch, and on the other side, we see a polar bear. Which side is more valuable? They're part of the same coin. All right? I'm going to give you the flip side to this. The kingdom of heaven is like a man who was going through a field and he found a treasure. Went and sold everything that he had and he bought it. What if we're reading that? What if we can read that in a different way? What if the parable of the sower, the wheat and the tares, is a template for the next two parables? What if? The sower, the man in the first parable, is the Son of Man. The field is the world, and the good seed, the thing of value in this whole thing, are the sons of the kingdom. What if we take that same template and overlay it on the treasure? What if the man is the Son of Man? What if the field is the world? And what if the treasure is like the good seed, the sons of the kingdom? That means that the Son of Man saw something that he could take and turn into great value. He's the one who gave up everything. He is the one who gave it all up for you and for me. Great value. He sees us as being treasures. Oh my goodness, this is going to be bad. Excuse me. It's the same thing with the pearl. You have a man. The field is implied. He's looking for it. He's in the marketplace. He's looking for something of great value, and he finds it, and he gives up everything to buy that pearl of great price, that thing of value. The Son of Man is looking for something of great value, and he finds it, and he gives up everything for it. He's the one who humbled himself. God, Jesus Christ, being in the form of God, did not consider equality with God something to be grasped, but he emptied himself. He humbled himself. Being born in the likeness, took on the form of a servant, and being born in the appearance of man. And being found in human likeness, he humbled himself and became obedient unto death, even death on the cross. Thank you. But that's what Jesus did. Even death on a cross. He sees us as being of such great value.